Hi, welcome back to the Angular and Spring Boot CRUD tutorial. In this video, we're going to add the delete button inside the list page because some people don't like to add it inside the edit page. So let's add the delete inside the list page just beside the edit button so that user can delete it from the list page as well. Okay, so let's go to the first we need to add a few records because right now there is no records in the database. Let's quickly add some of the records. Say monitor, and which is something 8900. Let's add expense, add one more record. Let's say TV, and it's like something like 10,000. Some description, add expense. Okay, right now we have two records, that's enough. So first let's go to the Visual Studio Code, and what we need to do is we need to add the delete button inside the list expenses page. So let's go to the list expense view template, and just below this edit button or the edit anchor element, let's create a delete button. And again we are going to add the click event, and we're going to call the delete expense method, and to this delete expense method we're going to pass the expense id. So expense.id, and I'm going to add the text delete, and let's go to the ts file. Let's list expenses.component.ts file, and let's quickly define that method delete expense, and we're going to receive the id as the parameter. And now let's quickly go to the add expense ts file, and let's copy the same code, copy this and paste it inside this. So then we're going to change a few of the things. Right now we don't need this. Let's remove this, and let's quickly remove this as well. And all we need to do is we need to, once the expense has been deleted, we have to refresh the table. So for that we can write this here itself, but instead of that we are duplicating the code. Instead of that, what we can do is we can create a common method. Let's say list expenses. Let's paste the code inside this. So now we are going to call this list expenses inside this list expenses and list expenses. So let's save this, and even let's save the view template as well. Let's save this, and now let's go to the browser and test our work. You can see now we have the delete button for all of the records. So let's try for TV. When I click on this delete, the TV has been deleted. When I click on this monitor, the monitor has been deleted. So now we have a delete button in both the ways, both the sides, in the list page as well as in the editing the single individual expense. So this completes the CRUD tutorial, as I said. So in the next video we're going to add a bootstrap styling to the application, and then we can continue with the two more features, which is searching and sorting. I will see you in the next video.